Greetings and welcome to Tesla Taxi videos. Piper here. This is another day. Actually didn't turn on the recorder at the beginning of the day, and so you're just picking me up from the charger. I'm on my way to the airport. I'm going to go to the airport, play a little video game, and then pick up a ride that's going to take me all the way over to Hampton. Then I have a few other trips around there, and that's the day. Again, it's just another video where, for the most part, they're using full self-driving. I can tell that I'm using full self-driving anytime you see the blue streak behind the icon. That's showing you that I'm using full self-driving during that time. I do drive some of the time, like around here, trying to get to the pickup spot at the airport. That's not really easily programmed into the GPS, and so I end up having to drive myself. I do keep my hands often on the steering wheel while full self-driving is operating. That's mostly for the comfort of the passenger. I don't really need to do that. But again, this is going to be another few hours. I speed it up to 20 times so that you can see that, what's happening. And again, this is happening from the Norfolk International Airport. We're driving now on I-64 on the way to Hampton. Going to go through the Hampton Bridge Tunnel here. All right. I hope you enjoy it. Keep watching, like and subscribe. Help me grow the channel. That'd be great. So this is the old Chamberlain Hotel. It's now a senior center. Picking up somebody here to take them home. They were visiting. Well, that's it for me. I'm on my way home. If you enjoyed it, please do like and subscribe. Help me grow the channel.